So yeah, see how it's taken all the carbon off the face of the valve? And then on the edge there, I don't know if the camera shows it up, it's nice and shiny there, but the evidence is actually very profound on the top of the piston. Okay, so this is part 2 of our Range Rover Evoque timing belt situation. If you missed part 1, long story short is somebody's done a timing belt and got the timing wrong because they didn't use the correct tools. What we're filming here right now, we've actually discovered once we got in, so we've got the cylinder head off, and there's evidence that the valves have hit the pistons, so the valve seats won't seal and thus the misfire. But what we found when we were in there, which is unrelated but of more concern, this is the cam girdle, so this bolts to the top of the head and the cam shafts sit in here. This is where the cam journals run. You can see there that that is all scored up quite badly. And that is because I suspect oil starvation, either not enough oil or oil blockage in the system or not enough oil changes. Anyway, this, you can't just buy a second-hand one of these and slap it onto the head. These are mated to the head and the camshaft. So this, unrelated to the timing belt situation, has condemned this cylinder head. So we're gonna have to get a new head and a new set of cams and get all that machined up. And then obviously put it back together with the timing belt done correctly. But you can also on here see the scoring on the camshafts from the lack of lube. And this happens when you don't change your oil enough. And valves bend when you don't use the right timing tools.